Over the past week, NASA announced it's prepping for its latest moon landing by extending an olive branch to the auto industry to design its next lunar rover. As NASA ramps up the Artemis lunar exploration program, which will welcome a new era of moon exploration, the agency is turning to American auto companies to problem solve the best way to get around the lunar surface. It seems like a no-brainer for NASA to award the design contract to Elon Musk. After all, he is the man behind SpaceX. NASA states it's looking for a vehicle that is both electric and autonomous. Two boxes checked in Tesla's favor. With the development of the Cybertruck and new innovations with SpaceX technology, the Cybertruck moon rover is not far off. Today, we will discuss NASA's plan for the all-new Cybertruck moon rover. Welcome to Tech Archives. NASA Artemis program. NASA's plan for the Artemis program is to land an exploration team back on the moon by 2024, with the overall goal of collaborating with commercial and international partners to establish sustainable exploration by 2028. The new lessons learned during this upcoming lunar exploration will be taken to the next level when NASA sends astronauts to Mars. And one of those lessons will be getting around on the moon's rock-laden surface, and that requires the right vehicle. Spacex Lunarvision. In addition to NASA's Artemis program, SpaceX is also making big strides to reach the moon. SpaceX's huge Mars-colonizing Starship vehicle could make its first extraterrestrial touchdown in just 1 year. Gwen Shotwell, SpaceX president and chief operating officer, said, quote, "We are aiming to be able to drop Starship on the lunar surface in 2022. SpaceX has just one crewed Starship mission on its docket, a flight around the moon booked by Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa, who plans to take a handful of artists with him. That mission is targeted for 2023. SpaceX is one of 5 companies that are newly eligible to deliver robotic payloads to the lunar surface for NASA. SpaceX proposed to do this work with Starship and Super Heavy, the reusable spaceship rocket duo that the company is developing primarily to help humanity become a multi-planet species. Cybertruck Rover. Tesla and SpaceX are ramping up synergy. Elon Musk's 2 companies are now sharing more employees, making tools for each other, and SpaceX is buying millions of dollars worth of car parts from Tesla. SpaceX is already buying powertrains from Tesla for its spacecraft, so is it too far-fetched that they would build a rover together? Electric vehicles have a long history of space travel, since combustion engines are designed to work in our atmosphere, while electric motors can generate torque in a much wider variety of environments. Additionally, Musk has joked about Tesla making the Cybertruck for the apocalypse because of its bulletproof glass and ultra-hard exoskeleton steel body. Some of those features could help SpaceX adapt the vehicle as a lunar rover or even for Mars. Designer Charlie Automotive decided to visualize what that would look like and produced cool renders of a Tesla Cybertruck modified as a moon rover vehicle. The Tesla Cybertruck already looks like something from science fiction, so it's not hard to make it look like it's ready to crawl around the moon. Massive knobby tires, extra light bars, a dish we can only assume is for communications, and other gear help fill the rendering out and make it look pretty convincing. The artist who created this set of images really went to great lengths to make everything believable. The neat tires that are made up of individual sections that move around a rigged frame. This would not only help with shock absorption, but would also allow for quick and easy repairs if anything damaged the wheels. You can just replace each individual part with a spare and just keep going. It's the details like this that make this set of images shine. We're not lunar rover designers or engineers, so it's hard to say how difficult it would be to turn a Cybertruck into a proper vehicle for this kind of mission. But that's not to say it doesn't look pretty cool. SpaceX hasn't said anything official about developing a lunar rover for planned missions, but it doesn't seem out of the question. That's especially true if Elon Musk's space exploration company fulfills more planned missions in the near future. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos on Tesla and Elon Musk.